Of course, I do know that one of the major reasons you're always paying people to run Facebook and Instagram ads for you is because you cannot fund your account yourself. So the essence of me making this video is for me to show you how to fund your account the easiest way. Like, it is this simple. So I'll show you how you're gonna fund your account. And the amazing thing is this: you don't even need your card. You don't need either your credit card or your debit card to fund your ads account. So you can literally do this with just a bank transfer. Just bank transfer. So it is this simple. I don't want you to go anywhere. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you get to understand all the steps. I won't even take you very far. So guys, come with me to my screen recorder. Let me show you how to easily fund your wallet and begin to run ads. In my previous video, I taught us how to run lead generation ads. Take your leads directly from Facebook down to your WhatsApp group chat without those leads getting to message you. You know that most times when this lead gets to message you and you send the link to them, most of them might not click on it based on their previous experience. So this one, you don't just have to bother. They will just get into your group chat, and that is just it. So if you've not seen that video, please go and watch that video. I will attach it to the end screen of this particular video. So guys, I don't want this video to be complex, so you just come over to your Facebook account. So once you come over to your Facebook account, you will see your profile picture at the left hand side. This is it. You click on it. Now once you click on your profile picture, it will bring you to an interface like this. So you scroll. I believe you have posted some things on your profile, you understand? So you will see this boost post. So you click on it. Now we are not going to boost anything. See, as far as running ads is concerned, one major mistake that most persons make is for them to boost their post. Never you do that. So once you click on that boost page, you have to keep scrolling. So once you keep scrolling, it will bring you to this interface, this particular one where we have payment details. So if you check here, I have about 900 naira. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. So look at amounts to add. So we have 4,500 there already. In case it is not 4,500 you want to add, so you have to ensure that you put the amount that you want to add. We have different method here. We have debit or credit card. We have pay by USD. We have pay by bank transfer. So we are paying by bank transfer. Now you have to check below here if it is not this particular place where you're seeing pay in naira with Wave, Master or Visa card. If yours is not in naira, please do not proceed on ticket. You understand? It needs to be in naira. You put the amount and click on next. So once you put the amount that you want to fund your account with, it will automatically redirect you. When it redirects you, do not be scared. You understand? Don't be scared. So it will keep loading. Sometimes it might take up to 1 minute. Now it has brought us to this interface. This account number is just for you. This account number is just for you, and it is a one-time stuff. You understand? So if you check here, you see the account number. You see here it is pay stack. Then you see the amount. I had already put the amount that I want to use in crediting my account. So now you copy the account number and now come over to your app, however you want to make your transfer. You understand? So personally, I want to make my transfer using OPay. You understand? So now this is my OPay. I've opened it. Now I am trying to put my password. I'm trying to put my password now. Now guys, there is something very important I want to show you in this video, so you have to keep watching, because if you skip it, I am sorry to say, you might miss it for life. Now this is what I want to tell you before I get to that. You have to put the account number. Once you put the account number, you see pay stack. You need to check very well, and you see the name. So it must show Meta. Can you see that? So you put the account, you put the amount. So you put the amount. Now do not put 4,000 whereas you told them that you were going to pay 2,000. Do not do that. I don't want anybody coming to ask me in my comment section. Now I am done making the transfer. So now that I'm done with the transfer, this is what I will do. I will move over immediately to Facebook to go and confirm if the amount has reflected. You understand? So at this point, this is me heading over to Facebook to check if the amount I just transferred has reflected. So as we did the previous time, you're gonna click on your profile again. Once you click on it, you scroll. Once you scroll, you go to as if you want to boost page, as if you want to boost your post. Guys, never you boost your post, always run ads the right way. I already made a video on how you should run your ads. Go and watch that video and be running your ads like that. Now if you check now, you'll see that my money has increased. So it has increased from 900 naira to 2,900 naira. So guys, this is the right way and this is the easiest way for you to credit your ads account. So stop paying people to run ads for you. Come, let me teach you. Watch my videos and you will definitely learn. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video and bye for now.